Hey folks, happy Saturday. Today I'm going to share with you how I made limeade. So after cleaning in and around the house this morning, I realized that I had a basket full of limes left over. So what to do with all these limes? Make limeade. So I'll go ahead and show you how we did that this morning. All right, so I started with cutting the limes in half. They were already room temperature, which is perfect because you can yield more lime juice from the lime when they're room temperature. Another helpful tip is to roll your limes before you cut them in half. It kind of gets the juices moving, but the citrus squeezer works great. I feel like we got all the juice out of all those limes out real easy. So my youngest and my oldest helped me. They wanted to participate and help mama. So here we go, more and more and more. We threw it right into our Vitamix, which is super helpful. We didn't have to make a simple syrup. We just squeezed the lime juice into the Vitamix and then went ahead and added our sugar, xylitol, and erythritol. So here's the erythritol. It's 70% less sweet than sugar. Xylitol can be switched out equally with sugar, and that's our organic raw sugar from Costco. So I used 1 cup of organic raw sugar and put it right into the Vitamix. And then I used the 1 cup measure to I eyeballed about half erythritol and about half xylitol. Those are both low calorie, low carb sweeteners that are natural. As you can see, my son here in the background having quite the time waiting patiently to help mommy. He really likes to help, which is great. So after I added all the sweeteners, the sugar, erythritol, and xylitol, I just went ahead and turned the blender on to about medium high. And I turned it up to 10 for a real quick second, and then turned it back to medium high. Maybe about 30 seconds, not too long. But as you can see, it's blending all in there. There was no need to make a simple syrup. It diluted right into there. All right, so this is my SodaStream bottle. It's just under a quart of liquid. So I filled it with water, used my SodaStream to make sparkling water. Again, you can use tap water if you want. Make your own with a SodaStream, purchase some from the grocery store. It took 2 of these bottles with 1 cup of the sweetened lime juice to fill I think that container is about a gallon or so. So I poured in the sweetened lime juice, 1 cup, and then added 2 quarts, or just under 2 quarts of sparkling water. I hadn't added my wild orange essential oil. I had planned to do that, added it into the lime juice, but I forgot, so no big deal. I went ahead and added 3 drops into the mixture, the juice mixture, sparkling limeade after. And that was fine. It came out great. I just gently gave it a couple turns after covering it. And the kids loved it. It's half gone within the same day of making it. So I hope you enjoy this recipe.
Mama,
Yes, boo boo.
can we go out front?
Yes, let's go out front. Let me get this done real quick. You can help me. Okay. All is for whether it's sugar or xylitol or swerve. I will mix. It says it's a sweet natural index. It's 70% as sweet as sugar. So it's low calorie, low carb, and you can tone down the sweetness. So it's not quite as sweet as sugar, but it's almost.
I love you.
The ingredients, I love you. I will come back to get those silly. Let's not let him play.